Keeping your keyboard clean can feel like a daunting task, especially if you're using a mechanical keyboard loaded with intricate components. Failing to maintain it can lead to sticky keys and reduced performance. In today's video, we're comparing 5 highly rated keycap pullers and cleaning tools that can make this job easier and more efficient. You'll want to stay tuned for our top pick, which offers an unexpected bonus that just might change how you think about keyboard maintenance. Remember, links in the description below will help you check current prices. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews. Keyboard Remover Toolkit 7-piece set. The Keyboard Remover Toolkit is a 7-piece set designed for anyone who loves to customize or clean their mechanical keyboards. It includes various tools such as keycap pullers, switch pullers, and a cleaning brush that help you safely remove and maintain your keys without damaging them. This kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and gamers who frequently swap out keycaps for aesthetic or functional purposes. The main strength of this set is its versatility. However, some users may find that the tools feel a bit flimsy after repeated use, especially if you're pulling keys often. Nonetheless, it provides everything you need to get started on your keyboard cleaning journey. Frienda 12-pack Keyboard Lube Switch Puller Kits. Keycap the Frienda 12-pack Keyboard Lube Switch Puller Kits is an excellent choice for users who want a comprehensive solution for both keycap removal and switch lubrication. This kit is best suited for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts who enjoy modding their boards to improve performance and feel. It includes multiple pullers and lube applicators, making it easy to replace keycaps and apply lubricant without making a mess. Users appreciate the variety and value offered by this pack, but note that the build quality could be improved for long-term durability. Overall, it's a solid investment for those looking to enhance their keyboard experience while keeping their setup clean. 6PCS Keyboard Cleaning Kit. The 6PCS Keyboard Cleaning Kit is an all-in-one package designed for those who want a thorough cleaning solution. This kit includes brushes, a keycap puller, and microfiber cloths, making it ideal for gamers and office workers alike who need to maintain a pristine keyboard. One of the standout features is the inclusion of different brush sizes, allowing you to reach those tight spots between keys. While it does an exceptional job at cleaning, some users have reported that the keycap puller could be a bit more robust. Nonetheless, this kit is excellent for anyone determined to keep their keyboard looking and functioning like new. 2-in-1 mechanical keyboard keycap puller and switch puller. The 2-in-1 mechanical keyboard keycap puller and switch puller is a must-have tool for any mechanical keyboard user. This product simplifies the process of removing both keycaps and switches, making it perfect for those who enjoy customizing their setups. Its dual-function design is intuitive, and the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use. This puller is especially beneficial for gamers who frequently switch out keycaps for different gameplay scenarios. However, some users have noted that the material feels a bit lightweight and may not withstand excessive force. Overall, it's an effective tool that combines functionality and ease of use, making it a great addition to your keyboard care toolkit. Glorious Switch Puller. The Glorious Switch Puller takes the top spot as the best tool for keyboard maintenance in 2026. This high-quality puller is specifically designed for removing switches from hot-swappable mechanical keyboards, making it a top choice for tech enthusiasts and gamers who customize their keyboards frequently. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design allow for easy handling, ensuring that you can remove switches without damaging your board. Users love how it makes the process quick and simple, reducing the risk of any accidental damage. The only minor drawback is that it's solely focused on switch removal, lacking any additional tools. However, if you need a reliable and effective switch puller, this is a product you won't want to miss. There you have it, our top 5 keyboard keycap pullers and cleaning tools that can make your keyboard maintenance a breeze. Whether you're a gamer, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who loves a clean workspace, there's a product on this list for you. Make sure to check out the links in the description to find the best prices. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.